In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move an event from one Google Calendar to another. If you've ever needed to reorganize your calendar or simply shift an event to a different schedule, this guide will come in handy. Let's dive in and make the process as smooth as possible. First things first, we need to open Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to calendar.google.com in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account, as having access to your calendars is essential for this task. Once you're logged in, the interface will display your calendars and scheduled events. Next, identify the event that you wish to move. Browse through your calendar and click on the specific event you want to relocate. This will open up a pop-up with event details. Click on the pencil icon, which serves as the edit button. It's usually located at the top of this pop-up window and is your gateway to modifying the event's details. Upon clicking the edit icon, you'll be taken to a more detailed screen containing all the specifics about your event. This is where you'll see a range of options and settings, from the event title to the date and time. Here, you'll look for the calendar drop-down menu. Typically, you'll find this just below the Add Notification section. This drop-down menu is crucial because it contains the list of calendars to which you have access. Now it's time to select the new calendar. Click on the drop-down menu and you'll see a list of all the calendars that are available on your account. Scroll through this list and click on the desired calendar where you want the event to be moved. This action tells Google Calendar to transfer the event from its original location to the new one. Once you've chosen the calendar, head on over to the top right corner of the screen and click the Save button. Saving your changes is a key step because it ensures that the event is properly moved and all modifications are securely recorded. Finally, it's important to double-check your work. Navigate over to the new calendar and confirm that the event is showing up in its new location. This not only assures that you've completed the task successfully, but also gives you peace of mind knowing your schedule is as it should be. And there you have it. Moving an event from one Google Calendar to another is a straightforward process once you know the steps. By following these instructions, you can keep your schedule organized and ensure that your events are always in the right place. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.